PipSnipers here, back for another update. Let's take a look at the crypto total altcoin market cap over here. And what we see over here is a 3-wave move down, a 3-wave move up, and a 5-wave move to the downside for our C wave. Now, within this C wave over here, what we have is a bullish descending broadening wedge with a truncation in the 5th wave. Now, usually the reason you have wave 5 truncations is simply because you have such a waterfall move down for our 3rd wave, so sellers get exhausted in the 5th wave. I notice this tends to happen a lot, especially in highly over-leveraged markets. Now, remember what I said, the 70.2 to 88.6% fib produces feelings of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And this is exactly when the market maker steps in to drive the price back up to new highs. Now, a lot of people, they think that this 5th wave is going to extend past this 3rd wave down for a traditional 5 waves, but what we have over here is what looks like accumulation at the low. So this over here is your accumulation range. So you have your selling climax, your automatic rally, second test, fail break, secondary test in phase B, and then a creep out of the side of the range before things start really picking up. So what we see over here, going back to yesterday's analysis, like I said over here in yesterday's analysis, we had a inverted head and shoulders, right? A bullish pin bar off the 78.6% fib, a move above the neckline, a throwback, or in other words, a partial decline, a move up, and I said that once this hourly FVG over here, this hourly fair value gap will act as heavy resistance. We did have some resistance here, dropped a little, and then now we're seeing a continuation up. So going forward, what bulls want, and this 4 hour looks very nice too. So we do have a change of character here now. Going forward, this is what bulls would want to see. What we can do is take a fib from this wave 4 high down to this wave 5 of C low, or this expected low, and we would want to take a look at these 70.2 to 78.6% fib. Once you get over 656 billion to 664 billion, it's game on, and we can say that this in fact is our bottom for the altcoin markets, and then we can for the altcoin market cap, and then we can say we're going to go into new highs. Now, when we take a look at the daily time frame over here, our new high, our last all-time high, is not that far away here. Okay, so this is just what happens during on the way up, right? These corrections. So I think people were panicking too much once we got to this region over here, and market makers are driving the price back up again. Before I end this video over here, let's take a look at XRP. Okay, so XRP looks great. From yesterday's video, I showed you that we had a little Wyckoff accumulation range going on over here. We had our selling climax, automatic rally, secondary test, fail break, secondary test in phase B. And now we're going to see a creep out of the side of the range. We took out trendline liquidity, right? Had a nice base, and now we have what's called a change of character forming. Okay, this is your change of character right here. So now what XRP bulls would want to see here going forward is a move above the 70.2% fib and the 78.6% fib at 0.5419 and 0.5499 to confirm that this in fact is our subwave 1 and subwave 2 of our macro wave 1 of 3. Okay, so I dive more into the Elliott wave structure in my Discord. So if you haven't joined my Discord, please click the link in the description below. I give regular updates throughout the day on over 300 plus assets. So this is the Discord right here. You get all of these assets over here. You can ask me any question you want, and yeah. So definitely click the link in the description if you haven't joined, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.